Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to remove fingerprint in Motorola phone. Guys, you want to remove your fingerprint lock, so guys you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove fingerprint in our Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friend, first of all, open your phone setting to remove your fingerprint. Then guys, scroll it, and guys you can see your security setting guys. The security setting guys, tap here. Just click on fingerprint, enter your pin password guys. So you can see guys, add fingerprint. You want more fingerprints, so as you can add from here. You want to delete your second fingerprint, so as you can delete guys all fingerprint guys you want to delete, so as you can remove from here. So as your fingerprint will remove in your Motorola phone. So friends, you can see your fingerprint will not work in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove fingerprints in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet in next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.